Hi! In this video, I will show you how to connect Gravity Forms to MailerCloud using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a new contact in MailerCloud using Gravity Forms. I will use Gravity Forms as a trigger node to send a message for contact creation in MailerCloud. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Gravity Forms as a trigger. Next, let's add Gravity Forms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Gravity Forms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now, I will submit a test response from Gravity Forms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Gravity Forms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add MailerCloud as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select MailerCloud. Create contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a MailerCloud connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with MailerCloud. To get your API key, visit the MailerCloud API Keys page. Now, click on the Create API Key button and complete the API key creation process. Once your API key is successfully generated, then copy it. Now, return to the BitFlows builder and paste the API key into the value field. Then, click on the Connect button. Your MailerCloud node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, select a contact list from the drop-down menu that you have already created in your MailerCloud account. You can also add tags from the drop-down options. Now, I will map the fields from the Gravity Forms response to the MailerCloud fields. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Gravity Forms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in MailerCloud. Step 5. Verify the contact in MailerCloud. Finally, go to your MailerCloud contact list page and click on Contacts. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully created in your MailerCloud account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.